How to install the rear bumper on a Volkswagen Golf Mark III.
In this video we install the rear bumper. After attaching the painted trim to the actual bumper, now we're ready to install the whole unit back onto the car. The bumper slides onto the car using this slider here and the one on this side as well. And they slide onto this piece here at the back of the car. The top of the bumper is attached by these holes, which go into these 4 holes across the top, and there's 3 holes on the bottom, one in the middle and one on the other side. They go into the corresponding brackets just here, one in the middle, one on the far side. Also, don't forget to put in your crash bar. That goes across the back of the car and is held in by 13mm nuts. Now we get our 4 nuts that look like this, and we install them into the top of the bumper. And not forgetting the 3 bolts across the bottom. Now with all the bolts reattached, time to put on the little covers. And finally the last one. That's it. And that's the simple steps to reinstalling the back bumper on a Mark III Golf.